Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Gul. You can subscribe to my channel because I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So coming back to today's video, you must be wondering, what have I done with my hair? So guys, this video is going to be how I straighten my hair as well as curl my hair, like these soft curls, using a straightener. And this is before I curled my hair and this is after. In case you guys like it, then let's jump right into the video.
Starting with my hair freshly washed and air dried, I haven't brushed my hair yet. I will comb my hair as I go and I'm going to use my GHD hair straightener. Clean your heat styling tools before using to get rid of the product buildups. Divide your hair into two parts or any other way you like. As I will work on one side at a time, so I am tying the other side to keep my hair away. Finger detangling my hair before combing to avoid breakage and hair fall. Once detangling is done, I am taking heat protector serum and applying it generously through my hair. Now make small sections and start the straightening and curling process. How cute are these earrings? Make sure there are no knots. Get ready for the straightener. Oops. Now straighten your hair like you would normally do using flat iron. And then twist your hand and start sliding and curling your hair towards the end. I'm going to curl just the ends for the longest layer of my hair, but more curls towards the shorter layer. That way, overall hair look will be long and voluminous. So let's do it once more. So I'm straightening my hair first. And then twist your hand and start curling your hair towards the end. And repeat the process throughout your hair. For better results, please work on small sections of hair. Please don't keep the straightener in your hair for a very long time. It can burn your hair. Slide your straightener to the desired length, then twist and roll your hair on it and then slide to remove the straightener. So one side is almost done and this is how it looks like. Now let's move on to other side. finger detangling my hair in the similar way, and then I'll make small section and start straightening as well as curling my hair. And we are almost there. Dun, dun, dun. And this is the final look.
And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you like the soft curls that we have done in this video. If you try these curls, do let me know in the comment section down below. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye.